How to upload videos on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can upload videos on Vimeo, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Vimeo account, just like I've done here, and then once you've done that, you'll be brought to your Vimeo page. By the left side of the screen you'll see some options like home, you'll see library, live events. By the time you scroll down, you see other options as well. And then on the main page, you can see options like upload, import, create, record, host. So go ahead and click on upload, and the page would load. The upload videos page would load, and then you can now go ahead to upload your videos. You can decide to drag and drop the videos here, or you can just decide to click on choose files. By clicking on choose files, you'll be redirected to your computer files. So move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu. So scroll down and click on videos, or where the video that you'd like to upload is located. So once you can find it, just select the video, then click on open, and then wait patiently for it to be uploaded. Okay, yeah, this might take a while depending on your internet connection. Just ensure you wait for it to be uploaded fully. Once it has been uploaded fully, you would see it here. So you can just scroll down, you can edit the title. All right, you can change the title, you can add a description to the video, you can add a thumbnail if you want to, you can add the tag, category, and all of that. And there, just like that, your video has been uploaded, and you can move to the left side of the screen to add subtitles, to edit it as long as you want. All right, so this is it. This is how you can upload a video on Vimeo. Thank you for watching and have a good day.